Today's discussion will be based upon French economist Thomas Piketty and the relevance of his theories of inequality in relation to the Australian economy. Firstly, we will start with the definition of inequality. Inequality, in the context of Piketty's research, refers to the distribution of income and wealth. Piketty highlights across his work that the distribution of wealth is a more predominant factor in the 21st century that is contributing to inequality. The first key aspect of Piketty's research that is applicable in the Australian context is the role of education. Piketty, along with other economists, states that one of the primary mechanisms to reduce inequality in income and wealth distribution is education. And whilst this might at first sound simple and straightforward, in most cases it is not, as education itself is not equally accessible to all individuals. The major concern for increasing income and wealth inequality in Australia is the recent deregulation of university fees. By deregulating university fees, this is further strengthening the opportunities of those that already have access to larger amounts of wealth through their family associations. Along with the deregulation of university fees, the Australian government has also made cuts to government scholarship funding, which in turn is creating inequality within the education system, resulting in increased income and wealth inequality in the long run, favouring the wealthier end of the spectrum. Which leads into the second argument of Piketty's research that is applicable within the Australian context to some extent. Piketty claims that a prevailing factor that is contributing to the inequality of wealth is that wealth is being passed down from generation to generation. Piketty claims that in an economy where the rate of return on capital outstrips the rate of growth, inherited wealth will always grow faster than earned wealth. Bill Gates argued that this is not true within the Americas context due to the large number of entrepreneurial figures that are present in Forbes' list of richest people. However, upon looking at the Forbes list of richest people in Australia in 2014, it was revealed that 40% of the top 10 can accredit their wealth to inheritance, with Mining Hair's Gina Rinehart coming in at number 1. With self-earned individuals coming further down the list, supporting Piketty's push for an inheritance tax. To summarise, the two main points that need to be addressed within the Australian economy to minimise wealth inequality are equal access to education and distribution of wealth based on inheritance, to which Piketty claims an inheritance tax will help to solve.